It means protecting America by securing 90 major ports and creating a better communications network for local law enforcement and public safety officials in the event of an emergency. I've tasked my cabinet and staff to set up the kind of management, oversight, and disclosure that will help ensure that, and I will challenge state and local governments. It's also important for residents in these states to remain vigilant in monitoring reports on flood crests and to follow instructions from their state and local leaders in the event that evacuations become necessary. To complete a complex recovery that addresses nearly every sector of society, we've prioritized coordination among different federal agencies and with state and local governments. I also announced that we'll be taking additional steps through our financial stability plan to make more credit available to the small, local, and community banks that so many small businesses depend on. The banks who know their borrowers, who gave them their first loan and watched them grow. These are the small, local banks that will be able to give our small business owners more of the credit they need to stay afloat. It falls prey to the pressures of special interest groups, to the pull of local concerns, and to a reality familiar to every single American, the fact that it's a lot easier to spend a dollar than save one. Under these guidelines, schools that achieve excellence or show real progress will be rewarded, and local districts will be encouraged to commit to change in schools that are clearly letting their students down. And if you bought a new car last year, you can deduct the state and local sales taxes you paid on that car. While I was here at Cammerdale's Live Bait Shop, I met with a group of local residents and small business owners. Now, some of these earmarks support worthy projects in our local communities. For nearly 4 decades, they've worked hard their whole lives. But like a lot of reform that's lifting academic standards and getting results. Not because Washington dictated the answers, but because states and local schools pursued innovative solutions. We're also making college more affordable for millions of students and who know what would happen to their communities if Congress fails to act. So I'm calling on Congress as soon as they get back. And since then, we have seen what's possible when reform isn't just a top-down mandate, but the work of local teachers and principals, school boards, and communities. That's good for local businesses. The local pump has been going up and up. And because it's an election year, so is the temperature. And we've been engaging in some unprecedented coordination between federal, state, and local communities to try to bring this fire under control. Dozens more are being treated for injuries at local hospitals.